Discover the incredible weight loss benefits of spinach, how to best prepare it and how much you should eat to get maximum benefit from spinach, one of nature's amazing fat-burning foods. A leafy green vegetable, spinach possesses a delicate texture with a lush jade green color. It is part of the family also containing Swiss chard and beets and possesses similar flavor, Swiss chard's saltiness and beet green's bitterness. Spinach comes in 3 varieties: Savoy, which has crisp, curly leaves, with a springy texture; smooth leaf, which has flat, leaves that are unwrinkled; and semi-Savoy, with is less crinkled than Savoy. Baby spinach is highly valued for its tenderness and taste. You can buy spinach all year long, but it is at its absolute best between March and May and again between September and October. Fat-burning benefits of spinach. Spinach is a high-fiber food that also contains high amounts of carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, zinc, niacin, folic acid, calcium, copper, manganese, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium. The antioxidants in spinach protect against breast cancer, prostate cancer, and stomach cancer, due to their high carotenoid content. Do you realize that spinach contains 13 various substances that are antioxidant and anti-cancer substances? Research indicates that spinach extracts help to slow down the multiplication of cancer cells in stomach cancer and helps to lessen the contraction of skin and breast cancers. Neoxanthin is a carotenoid that safeguards the system from cancer of the prostate. In its great sources vitamin C and vitamin A in the structure of beta-carotene, spinach has very little competition in the vegetable families. These 2 vital antioxidant vitamins function together to fight against the actions of free-roaming radicals before they can cause destruction to cells. In addition, vitamin C and beta-carotene possess potent powers for fighting inflammation. Vitamin speeds up the metabolic rate for a fat-burning boost. Thiamine and riboflavin in spinach assist in turning carbohydrates, fats and proteins into energy. Niacin also creates energy from proteins, oils, and carbs, plus it maintains cholesterol levels and helps with cell respiration. Pantothenic acid functions as a body detoxifier, manages fat metabolism, and helps with energy production and antibody production. For skeletal strength, vitamin K, calcium and magnesium all play a role. Magnesium is helpful in lowering blood pressure and is also helpful in maintaining the body's healthy blood clotting ability. Folate in spinach assists the body in turning menacing homocysteine into benign molecules. Spinach packs greater iron content than meat, without any fat and few calories. Iron is an essential component of hemoglobin, which moves oxygen around the entire body. Iron is an essential enzyme responsible for energy production and fat metabolism. The essential amino acid arginine is needed in the proper working of the liver as well as the detoxification of the liver. Isoleucine is an additional amino acid found in spinach that is helpful in regulating blood sugar and energy levels in the body. Aspartic acid is helpful in protecting the liver because it detoxifies extra ammonia and other poisons that are present in the bloodstream. Glutamic acid helps metabolize both fat and glucose in the body. Recommended spinach preparation. Prior to eating spinach, it must be completely rinsed off. This will get rid of debris that is concealed within the leaf and stem parts. You might want to remove the roots and pull apart the leaves prior to rinsing. Put spinach in a big bowl of cold water and move it around to clean it and take away most of the dirt. Next, rinse with icy water. Do this a couple times to ensure that you get rid of any debris. When you want to eat raw spinach in a salad, either shake the washed spinach in a colander or put it in a salad spinner so that it is completely dry. Spinach does not need to be dried off, if you plan to cook it. Quick boiling is the best approach for cooking spinach. This will help to release oxalic acid while leaving spinach with a slightly sweet flavor. In terms of ideas for recipes, we can't neglect the tried and true spinach salad. You can also toss spinach leaves with different salad greens for an attractive and flavorful dish. Make vegetarian lasagna, layering spinach with varieties of vegetables, and bake. When cooking spinach, add garlic to kick up the taste. Toss in a small handful of pine nuts, which supply flavor and a crunchy texture. When cooking spinach, olive oil, garlic, or lemon juice make wonderful additions. Put some baked or broiled pieces of chicken or fish on top of some lightly boiled or steamed spinach leaves. Cooked spinach is great when added to omelets or frittatas.